What's up, everybody? Quick update on the Water Lily Bridge before we go out and get this golf video for you today. Water Lily Bridge, you'll see in the video I'll talk about when it's gonna be done, hopefully beginning of 2021. They are working on it, but they're kind of going slow. They're working on the approach actually from the south side, and you'll see it all in this video. Also the area next to 301 and the turnpike right in that corner. Alright, we'll see you in the next video. Little update here on the Water Lily Bridge. So this is the bridge that goes over the turnpike. It's going to be golf carts only. This bridge, again, if you watched any of the other videos, this bridge is actually going to connect Brownwood and north of 44 to Megason Road, and then south of the turnpike. The Brownwood Bridge is actually pretty close to completion, I believe. They had planned to have it done in October, but with COVID and all that kind of stuff, it just hasn't made it yet. The Water Lily Bridge, you can see they're building the approach on the south side here. This is the south side, we're headed north. That's the turnpike that goes east and west there. So we're headed north over the turnpike, and they're building the approach here. This bridge is supposed to be done toward the beginning of 2021. We'll see. It seems like they're kind of a ways off, but you know how the Villages is. They tend to get things done fairly quickly when they're ready to get them done. So as we come up over these trees, you'll actually see a little bit of what I was talking about, Megason Road. Megason runs right on the right side of the screen, and then Brownwood's way up there. This is that whole area that surrounds Water Lily. And then as we go south over the turnpike, we're going to see the other side of the Water Lily Bridge. And there's a whole other area on the other side as well that they're building onto, which is the corner of the Florida Turnpike and Highway 301. So they're actually building that area. So this is looking east, and we're going south. This will be the last golf cart bridge that they build, well, that they have planned. They have one more bridge planned that's going to be golf cart and vehicle accessible, but they haven't even started work on that one yet. So this is going southwest now, and then we're going to turn to the west. You're going to see the whole new area that they're building, or I guess leveling out and doing things like that right in front of us. So this is on the corner of the turnpike and Highway 301. Highway 301 runs north and south. The turnpike at this point really runs northwest to southeast. This road that's below us is going to go all the way into all the way through this new neighborhood to 301. You can see they're not really pushing a whole lot right now because they're working on that Hawkins and St. Catherine area. My guess would be after that whole area is done, Case and Hammock, all those areas, this will be the next part that they work on. They've closed the road off. They used to have this road open, but they've closed it off. They got a big, huge ditch there, and it's closed from 301 also. We'll do a quick little flyover of this area. You can see the outlines of the areas that they're going to leave, like this little swampy area again. I'll let you just enjoy the little video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give us a like and subscribe. I am going out today to golf, and I'm going to give you a virtual tour of one of the executive golf courses. So we'll see you in that next video. As always, have a great day.